Guys, I'm starving. It mixes so nicely with all the juice. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Amanda Song.
I'm KOR SUB.
Today we are going to make galbi or stir-fried chicken because a lot of you suggested let's do it, and we really wanted to do it after watching that episode of Signal where they were celebrating while eating galbi.
In like a college campus, that's like the menu to go when you feel like you want to celebrate but don't have tons of money.
We're celebrating today, finishing Signal the entire season. Okay, let's celebrate. Woo! galbi!
Let's do it!
We got this guy for next time because I've heard so much about this ice cream fish, but I've never actually tried it. Today's galbi. Next time we're gonna do saman ko red bean fish. We have scallions, onion, cabbage. It's not just lettuce, but it's actually a cabbage. And in the bowl we have garlic.
And this is special hidden card bean sprout.
Otherwise known as 콩나물. I'm struggling to open the 콩나물.
So nice. So I will chop the chicken small so that it's easy to eat, but at the same time like easy to cook. If it's like too thick, I think it will take like forever to cook. Right now actually we have a lot of chicken, so I think this vegetable should be very fine, otherwise it will just explode. Among all these veggies, garlic will go first, because you don't want to eat uncooked garlic.
Yeah, you really don't want to eat uncooked garlic.
To be honest, I'm making this galbi based on just my memory. So I'm going to add veggies when chickens are almost done. Hope it's not too much garlic. Scallion. It's gonna be really healthy.
You guys, I'm starving. We had a really long morning and it's already 12:30. So hungry. That. Oh, it mixes so nicely with all the hot juice that came from the chicken while it boiled. While it cooked. The best thing about cooking on a medium heat is you get all this nice juice. If you cook it, like flash fry it, the juice disappears. Oh my goodness. Oh, look.
I think bean sprout tend to shrink when it's cooked.
So we slow cooked it on a medium heat, so there's a lot of soup. Why? But this is so healthy, and it's because of the gochujang. It's very like salty and tasty, and because of all of the extra like soup from the water from the chicken and the vegetables, it's like really savory and tender. I'm finally ready to eat dak galbi. This is like a very vegetable-y dak galbi.
I use less oil.
Yeah, because we're trying to cook a little bit healthy, so we wanted to use less oil and more vegetables.
Let's do it. Enjoy your meal.
잘 먹겠습니다. I will enjoy this. Oh yeah.
Cabrera sauce.
But it's definitely still delicious. 맛있어요. Look, I love onions.
닭갈비 in general is not soupy.
But I think it's really good, especially if you dip some rice.
Any tip to make better 닭갈비? Let me know. I'm open to it.
Thank you for cooking dak galbi with us on today's episode of Amateur Kitchen.
I'm amateur.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye.